Okay, you've got a spherical balloon. Balloon is being inflated, so the rate of increase of its radius, so that will be dr by dt, is inversely proportional to, so 1 over the square root of its radius. Okay. And it says that t equals 5, r equals 9, and it says at that instant dr by dt equals 1.08. So actually it gives two things. It says t is 5, r is 9. It also says t is 5, that's 1.08. But actually, for this first bit, it says that when we get dr by dt equals k over root r, it now says that r is 9 when dr by dt is 1.08. So we get 1.08 equals k over root 9, which implies that k equals 3.24 times both sides by 3. So now we get dr by dt equals 3.24 over root r. Separate the variables, so I'm going to times both sides by root r, but I'm going to write it down as r to the half, and that'll be dr, and that's going to equal 3.24, and dt will come up here. Then put in the integral signs. Integrate r to the half, so we're going to increase the power by 1 because we're integrating, so that's going to be 3 over 2. If I differentiate this, I'll get 3 over 2 r to the half, so I obviously need 2/3 to counteract the 3 over 2. And that equals 3.24 t. Don't forget the plus c, and we need to find out what the c is. So when r equals 9, we're told that t equals 5, and so therefore put those into there. That gives you 18 equals 3.24 times by the 5 plus c, so c equals 1.8. So we now put it into here. Let's take that up here along with c equals 1.8, and we get 2/3 of r 3 over 2 equals 3.24 t plus 1.8. Now we have now got an expression containing both r and t, but it says to express r in terms of t, so that means I've got to have r equals. It's not just enough to have an equation which contains both r and t. So I'm going to times both sides by 1.5, which should give r to the 3 over 2 equals 4.86 t plus 2.7, and now I can take it to the power of 2/3, and then I'll get rid of that. I get 4.86 t plus 2.7 to the power of 2/3, and that is now an equation for r in terms of t. That's good. Part 2. What's in how much in the balloon? Initially, well, it gives us a formula here. So first off, we know when t equals 0, r equals, we put in t as 0 here, and that would give me r equals 2.7 to the power of 2/3, which equals 1.93899. And so the volume equals 4/3 times by pi times by that cubed, because that's my formula, the radius cubed, and that equals 30.53628, or 30.5 to 3 significant figures. And will that be centimeters cubed? Since the r is in centimeters, so centimeters cubed. And that's 8 done.